Hi everyone, my name is Soul. I'm an energy healer, and let's get into our healing session today. So first place. All right, so we're going to a matrix, a family matrix, or matrix, another word for like vortex of energy or energy field. So we're going to our family energy field, and we're going to we're going to our father, emotion, dismissive. Oh wow, okay, so we want to tap that out already. Yeah, I'm yawning. Okay, all right, so if you feel drawn to, we're just gonna tap over head, heart, and gut. Oh, excuse me, yawning. That's just like a quick and immediate shift that just really wants to happen. Okay, and apparently it's a lot. So, because I can't move forward for at least 3 minutes or so. So I encourage you to not fast forward. It is a timeless energy healing session, but like if we're trying to release something, let's honor that and give it the time to release. So just sit here with me. Sit with yourself. I know sometimes we can't or are uncomfortable with ourselves, so let's practice that. Sometimes it helps to just look off into the distance and let our eyes wander. It's been about a minute now. Might be uncomfortable. It's okay. Let's just breathe through it. Yeah. I'm yawning a lot. It's a really big shift. Okay, we're about 2 minutes now. Let's check if we can let it go. Nope. Can we move forward? Yes, we can. All right, let's move on. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so we're going to something in our environment, our home, and it is a intolerance. Is there anything more on intolerance? So the intolerance to other people's stress is the best way I can describe this. So like, okay, so you know when someone is talking about their problems and it's just draining you, and you don't mean for it to be draining, it's just that like your cup's just not full enough to be fully present for them. So it, okay, is there any more on that? No. Okay, yeah, so hopefully you understand that explanation. And then we're gonna go to other systems. So I'm using the body talk chart, and then on that chart, what's so great about it is we can go to other systems, and like body talk is like all inclusive with like all other forms of like energy healing. For today's example, okay, yoga, particular position. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to look it up. It's like I can see it. It's like something like, I'm not into yoga like my husband is, but it's not my go-to. All right, so let me see what yoga position this is. Okay, so it's called, if you don't know it as well, go ahead and Google it on your end. But what it is yoga cow face posed with eagle arms. And okay, so we don't have to do that position just yet. We're gonna go to Vivaxis, which is our, like, best way to describe it is like our energetic umbilical cord to our time and place of birth. All right, and it's in relation to work. Okay, so that's okay, so we're going to the time and place just before being born. And it's in relation to work. It's just like you're being like, yes, being like, birthing is, I mean, that's why they call it labor, right? But remember, this is a, you know, we are the child, we are the being born. So the work is in relation to, so your job as a child, like I promise you children work too. Right? A child's job is to grow, to learn, to play, and at the time and place that we were born, our work as a child was taken from us. Right? So our job as children is to grow, to learn, play, be curious, and some of us just didn't get that. And that's okay. We're going to heal that right here and now. All right, so you are, okay, so now we're bringing in that yoga pose. You're welcome to do that now. And then on my end, I'm gonna tap and breathe that out for us to release and rebalance. So that yoga pose again was cow face with eagle arms. And if you have mobility issues, no worries. You can, just visualize it in your imagination. You can remain seated, or if you're laying down, just, visualize it with me. And we're going to tap and breathe that out. So we're tapping over head, heart, and gut. If you tapped with me, you can go ahead and release. If you tried out that yoga pose, go ahead and stretch it out one more time. Flex it one last time. And release. Okay. All right, let's see if there's any more here. Okay, so we're going to other systems, other modalities again. This time it's taking us to breath work. I'm not certified in breath work. But you can find out more information online, test out some videos. I do get breath work done, so I would highly suggest seeing someone who's certified in breath work, someone who can best review and can help you control your breathing through that process to maximize those types of benefits. But if you only have access to things online right now, do your best to follow that video. I would, when I work with my practitioner, I work with them online. And so like they can see me on camera. Something they suggested to me, if you're doing this solo, get a mirror and see what you look like in front, breathing, how you look on the side, because that will, you can match that up to a video if you're just following on a video. Let's see if there's anything else here. Okay, yeah, that's it. So there's not too many items today, but we always have to think about, like quality impact of what we did today, and it just seems like we released a lot today. So that's today's session, and I'll see you next week.